completely severed. Left my days outside for the birds. Everyone is searching beyond meaning, but not listening beyond words. We were supposed to be young. Now the old roads are paved with graves. The birds flew off with my days. Everyone is building without purpose, and I'm here smoking on a fat lip with a cold toe, counting strays. We were supposed to be young, fresh-faced and completely rotten. I left my days outside for the birds. We were supposed to be bold, but not bold beyond words. We were supposed to be free, but not free beyond words. We were supposed to be young, then leave our days outside for the birds. Chalk it up to hopeful youth and never dream beyond words. Look, love, look how far we've come. Wash me down with the things we've done. I know I'll never be clean. For once I'll take my moon blue, paint us with the things we'll do, and take us through what we've never seen.